Join me as I put the PhoneSoap Pro to the test and see if it really can kill 99.99% of germs on my phone in just 5 minutes. The PhoneSoap Pro is a device designed to sanitize your phone, and I'm excited to see how well it works. This little gadget claims to kill 99.99% of germs and bacteria that accumulate on your phone's surface. Smartphones are basically breeding grounds for bacteria and germs. We use them everywhere, and they pick up all sorts of nasty stuff. From our hands to our faces, and even to surfaces we touch, our phones are constantly collecting germs. These germs can cause illnesses, and sometimes they're even antibiotic resistant. Think about it, you use your phone to check your email, social media, and even to make calls, but have you ever stopped to think about how dirty it might be? The truth is, our phones can harbor some pretty harmful bacteria. E. coli, salmonella, and flu viruses are just a few examples of what might be lurking on your device. And when you think about how often you touch your face or use your phone to make calls, it's easy to see how these germs can spread. You might be surprised at just how much bacteria can accumulate on your phone's surface. These germs aren't just a minor issue, they can have serious health implications. Imagine getting sick from something as simple as using your phone. It's not a pleasant thought, and it's definitely something you want to avoid. So, what can you do to keep your phone clean and germ-free? The PhoneSoap Pro uses UVC light technology to kill germs and bacteria. When you place your phone inside, the UVC light goes to work, sanitizing your device in just 5 minutes. It's a simple and effective way to keep your phone clean. The UVC light is specifically designed to target and destroy the DNA of germs and bacteria, leaving your phone sanitized and safe to use. But how well does it really work? I've put the PhoneSoap Pro to the test, and the results are impressive. Before sanitizing my phone, I swabbed it to collect a sample of the germs and bacteria present. Then, I placed it in the PhoneSoap Pro for 5 minutes. After the sanitizing process, I swabbed my phone again to see how many germs were left. The before and after comparisons are shocking. The first swab showed a massive amount of bacterial growth, but after using the PhoneSoap Pro, the second swab showed almost no bacteria at all. It's clear that this device is effective at killing germs and bacteria. In fact, the test results show that the PhoneSoap Pro really does kill 99.99% of germs on your phone in just 5 minutes. That's a pretty impressive claim, and it's definitely something I'd recommend to anyone looking to keep their phone clean. Keeping your phone clean is crucial for maintaining good hygiene. With the PhoneSoap Pro, you can easily sanitize your device in just a few minutes. So, make it a habit to sanitize your phone regularly, especially during cold and flu season. What do you think about phone hygiene? Do you have any favorite tips for keeping your phone clean? Let me know in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my other video on cool tech gadgets that you might find useful. PhoneSoap Pro UV Smartphone Sanitizer and Universal Cell Phone Charger Box, patented and clinically proven 360-degree UVC disinfection, disinfects and charges all phones. Brand phone, soap. Connectivity technology USB. Connector type USB Type-C. Compatible devices cellular phones. Compatible phone models Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Included components USB cord, dual USB and USB-C charging ports. Cable length 4.38 inches. Special feature disinfects and charges all phones. Color blue. Input voltage 240 volts. UVC phone sanitizer and charger. PhoneSoap Pro cleans and sanitizes the surfaces of your phone and other high-touch gear. Backed by 10 years in UV technology, our best-in-class products disinfect your entire phone and small objects using UVC light, all while charging with the dual USB and USB-C charging ports. 360-degree disinfection. Our unique, patented design ensures powerful, germicidal UVC light reaches all sides and surfaces of objects placed inside. Our combination of chamber design, selective materials, and bulb placement makes our phone sanitizer and charger box one of the best phone accessories. Ultra quick and easy hygiene. Simply plug the PhoneSoap Pro into power with the provided cord, place your phone or other item inside, close lid to begin disinfection, and then remove your newly disinfected item after 5 minutes. Disinfect your phone every night or whenever you wash your hands. Notice a red light? Expose the bulbs to natural light or a flashlight for up to 10 minutes. Disinfects larger phones and more, bigger and faster than our original model. PhoneSoap Pro fits even larger phone models like the iPhone 8 Plus or Galaxy S10 Plus, as well as other personal items. Drop your keys, wallets, headphones, jewelry, glasses, or similar items into this germicidal box. Interior dimensions, 7.13 by 4.38 by 0.72 inches. Best reviewed, most trusted brand, PhoneSoap made germicidal UVC light available to consumers as best-in-class disinfection products paired with stylish design. We help people live better by defeating microbes the easy way, on high-touch, germ-coated phones to the air we breathe. 18x germier than a toilet. Our phones are 18x germier than a public toilet. Our phones because covered in pathogens because we take them into places like restrooms and wash our hands, but never our phones. PhoneSoap. A petri dish in your pocket. We pass the germs to our phones that we pick up from everyday items like grocery carts, gas station handles, and public restrooms. Warm places like pockets and purses are breeding grounds for bacteria. Cell phone cleaner. Clinically proven results. PhoneSoap's powerful UVC light is totally safe for electronics. While removing 99.99% of germs, UVC light can get to the microorganisms that hide in crevices where even cleaning wipes can't reach. PhoneSoap Pro has been tested by an independent, third-party laboratory to be 99.9% effective against SARS-CoV-2. This test was performed on a plaque assay. PhoneSoap Pro has also been tested to be 99.99% effective against salmonella on iPhones and otter cases containing iPhones. Finally, PhoneSoap Pro has been tested to be 99.99% effective against human coronavirus, strain 229E, ATCC VR740. Features. Time. Using twice the bulbs, the PhoneSoap Pro disinfects in just 5 minutes, half the time of most PhoneSoap models. Space. Comfortably fit any size phone with thick or thin accessories into PhoneSoap Pro's large disinfection bay. Our vacuum-plated aluminum inner shell adds extra reflectivity to achieve 360-degree sanitation. Inner dimensions. Inches, 7.13 liters x 4.38 w x 0.72 h. Automatic versus manual. Control the way you disinfect. Enable automatic mode so it disinfects when the lid shuts, or manual with the touch of a button. The PhoneSoap Pro is an innovative UV phone sanitizer and universal charger designed to effectively disinfect your mobile devices and other high-touch items. Utilizing patented and clinically proven degree UVC disinfection technology, this device ensures powerful germicidal light reaches all surfaces of your phone, effectively eliminating 99.99% of germs. With the ability to charge while it sanitizes, the PhoneSoap Pro is equipped with dual USB and USB-C ports, allowing for convenient charging. Its spacious disinfection bay comfortably fits larger phones, such as the iPhone 8 Plus and Galaxy S10 Plus, as well as other personal items like keys, wallets, and glasses. In just 5 minutes, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes from using a device tested to be highly effective against pathogens, including SARS-CoV-2 and salmonella. With features like an automatic mode for convenience, a sleek design, and a reflective aluminum inner shell for enhanced sanitation, PhoneSoap Pro stands out as a trusted product in the realm of hygiene, addressing the concern that our phones are often 18 times germier than public toilets.